Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your Wi-Fi drivers is missing from your Windows 11 or your Wi-Fi drivers is currently there but it's not working properly. So to find that, first you need to know the Wi-Fi drivers. So just go to the search bar and search for view network connection. After searching the view network connection, open the view network connection. Here you'll find the Wi-Fi drivers or the Wi-Fi settings there. Right click on it. If you go to the properties option, you can see this is the Wi-Fi name, which is going to be also with the driver on your device manager. So now we're going to need to search the device manager. Click on the search bar and search for device manager. Go to the device manager. And after that, you will need to go to this network adapters option. Now in my case, as you can see, the drivers is already here. But if your drivers is not showing here, what you can do is just go to this view option and click on this show hidden device. Maybe it will show your Wi-Fi drivers and find that if it enabled or disabled. In any case, if your Wi-Fi drivers is disabled here, you will have a down arrow key like this. So you just need to right click on the Wi-Fi drivers and click on this enable device. And after that, you may need to restart your PC and hope this will fix your problem. And if that doesn't work, like you already have the drivers showing up here, but still your Wi-Fi is not working, what you need to do is update your driver. So right click on the driver, click on this update driver option, click on browse my computer drivers, select this let me pick from the list. Now you just need to check mark this show compatible hardware and select the driver from your list here and click next. It's going to install the driver for you and update the driver. And after that, you just need to restart your PC and hope this will fix the problem of your Wi-Fi drivers missing from Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.